Hey guys, welcome to Friday Happy Hour. We are going to be making a blackberry Moscow Mule today. So Greg Howard here, Black Diamond Realty Group. So let's go ahead and get started. Moscow Mules are generally made with vodka. So we're going to be using 2 ounces of Dripping Springs vodka. That's a Texas vodka. It also is gluten-free, just for those that care. We will be using 1/2 to 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. We need some fresh lime juice. So we've got some here in the bottle, and we need ginger beer. I've talked about ginger beer in the past. Cock and Bull is my favorite. I'm sure there's others out there that you could pick, but I do like that. We will need for our fruit, we'll need lime and some fresh blackberries. So let's get started. I usually do all my mixing in a big shaker, but I want you to be able to see this since it's going to go into a copper mug, how we actually do this. So we're going to drop 3 of these guys, let's say 4. Let's muddle these blackberries in the bottom of this, get those juices out, free up as much taste as we possibly can. And then to that, we will add 2 ounces of vodka. Maybe a little more, I don't know. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. We need 1/2 to 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. You put as much as you want depending on the sweetness you desire. This is going to be pretty darn good just the way it is. And I need 1 full ounce of lime juice. See if I can keep from spilling. All right. So we've got that in there. Now let's add some ice to this and give it a good shake. So I want you to be able to see these colors, because if I pour it straight into the copper or into the stainless steel, you'll never see it. So give it a good shake. I don't actually have a strainer that'll fit this jar, so we're going to use a spoon to strain this back. And let's see what we can do here. I already have ice in this jar, copper mug. So that fills it about half full. We're going to top that off with some ginger beer. Give it a slight stir, not much. Add a berry to the top, and let's do a lime wedge. And there you have it, a blackberry Moscow Mule. So you guys enjoy the rest of your Friday afternoon, enjoy all day weekend, and I'll see you next week. That's pretty darn good. You guys take care, talk to you soon. Bye now.